letter. O. O is for owl. O is for owl. Let's have some fun. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Touch letter. H. H is for horse. Touch letter. K. K is for king. K is for king. Touch letter. E. E is for egg. Touch letter. U. U is for unicorn. Touch letter. I. I is for iron. Touch letter. J. J is for joker. Touch letter. V. V is for violin. Congratulations! You got a certificate!